Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. Small dividend stocks with a long history of paying regular dividends are not at all abundant. In fact, they're rare, usually existing in the realm of much bigger companies. But at Income Investors, we've uncovered one opportunity. Capital Southwest Corporation. They're traded on NASDAQ under symbol CSWC. The stock has rallied 242% since the 2020 health crisis low. At the same time, Capital Southwest stock has paid regular dividends along the way, dishing out dividends in 42 consecutive years. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Yeah, Capital Southwest is a financial firm that pursues credit and private equity and venture capital investments in the middle market companies, buyouts, recapitalization, and mezzanine, later stage, and growth capital investments, among others. The company targets areas of investment such as industrial manufacturing and services, healthcare services, business services, specialty chemicals and food, and software as a service models. Company raised its quarterly dividend to 64 cents per share, effective this September payout. That's up from previous 63 cents per share. Now, that's not a big increase, but Capital Southwest stock is all about paying consistent dividend income over time. Capital Southwest stock, meanwhile, traded at a 52-week high of $27.23 per share on July 17th, and it's just slightly below its October 2021 record high of $28.41 per share. Moreover, for technical investors, CSWC stock has moved into a golden cross. Now, that's a bullish crossover where the 50-day moving average is above the 200-day moving average. Holding this formation could see the stock move towards its record high. Wall Street is on board, with analysts providing a 12-month share price target of $29 per share.
Let's talk numbers here. How is this company doing financially?
Capital Southwest reports in the fiscal year ending March 30th. The last report was for fiscal 2024. Now, the 5-year revenue picture shows growth in the last 4 consecutive years to a record $178.1 million in fiscal 2024. Moreover, Capital Southwest has grown revenue in 8 straight years dating back to fiscal 2017. Now, analysts estimate that Capital Southwest will report high revenues of $201.5 million in fiscal 2025, followed by growth to $206.4 million to as high as $223.6 million in fiscal 2026.
What about its earnings?
Bottom line, the company's reported profits in 5 straight years with growth in the last 4 years. Now, this is impressive given the nature of the business that tends to be uncertain depending on the economy and interest rates. Now, looking ahead, analysts estimate that Capital Southwest will report $2.59 per diluted share in fiscal 2025, slipping slightly to $2.47 per diluted share in fiscal 2026.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for our free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. And John, strong earnings must result in reliable dividends here.
Yeah, dividend growth has been strong. Capital Southwest paid 38 cents per share in dividends in fiscal 2016, and it's targeted to dish out $2.56 per share in fiscal 2025. Now, the forward yield of 10.2% is pretty attractive, and just slightly above the 5-year average dividend yield of 9.38%.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Capital Southwest is an asset management company whose stock is suitable for income investors seeking regular income and moderate price appreciation over time. The high yield is attractive, but it could decline if the stock can gain traction. In this case, the yield would drop and the share price would rise. Investors just need to be aware of the risk given the nature of the company's investment business. So far, over the last 5 years, Capital Southwest Corporation has provided steady results. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.